This is the Horizontal Curve Road Interactive Calculator, which solves for critical parameters in highway curve design. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Calculate minimum radius from design speed, calculate design speed from radius, calculate curve geometry tangent external, calculate superelevation requirements, calculate degree of curvature, and calculate curve stationing. For this demonstration, I've selected calculate minimum radius from design speed. Next, we enter design speed in miles per hour, radius in feet, superelevation rate as a percentage, side friction factor, deflection angle in degrees, and PI station in feet. For our example, I'll enter design speed 55 miles per hour, radius 1,000 feet, superelevation rate 6.0%, side friction factor 0.12, deflection angle 30 degrees, and PI station 5280 feet. After clicking Calculate, we get these results. Minimum radius is 1120.37 feet, which exceeds our 1,000-foot input radius, indicating we need a larger curve. Degree of curve is 5/114 degrees. Length per 100 feet arc is 19.55 feet. Design speed confirms our 55 miles per hour input. Superelevation shows 6%, and friction factor confirms 0.120. This calculator streamlines horizontal curve calculations for safe road design. Find the link in the description below.